Well, we finally got enough snow to snow blow. For all of our friends that live in parts of the country, we're in the United States or in other countries that don't have snow, this is how we take care of the fluffy stuff up here in the northeastern New York. And we hardly got any snow this year. This is probably the most, and usually we get a lot more than this. So for us, this is nothing. He's on the other side of the vehicle, so we can't really see him. He's snow blowing the driveway. We don't have animals this year on our little backyard farm, so we had the joy of not having to bring out water or snow blowing to that part of the yard. Here's some icicles. And there he is. I'll just break them off and toss them out. Not everybody has a snow blower. Some people pay to get their driveways done by a big snow plow, and some people use the shovel and shovel out. And then of course everyone has to wipe off their cars when it snows. And he's been out here for a while because he had to fix something on the snow blower. Sounds like chunks of ice are out here.